Today we're talking about managing your Airbnb business from the other side of the world. Let's jump right in. All right, welcome back Airbnb family. So as most of you know, I'm in Thailand for like 3 weeks until the end of the month. And I posted my home on Airbnb and I just got a phone call from my concierge. It's 2 a.m. in Texas right now, and somebody ordered Uber Eats and they wanted me to let them up. And that reminded me that I needed to do a video for you. So I'm 13 hours ahead of schedule, and if any of you follow the same pricing strategy that I've taught you, you guys will lower your rates last minute, like price line them off. Like you'll drop your rates down to $20, $30, $40 same night, plus your cleaning fees to get them booked same day. Well, if you're 13 hours ahead of time, right now it's like 3 p.m. in Thailand, and my phone would say that. And the problem is let's say you want to change your rates at 5 p.m. Well, here it's tomorrow. So you can't change your rates because your phone thinks that it's tomorrow, which is really weird, but you can fix this, and it's actually not that hard. So you go to the general settings on your phone, and you're gonna go to date and time, and under date and time, there's this set time zone automatically. Shut that off and then switch your time back to wherever your Airbnb properties are. So I set it for Chicago or Central Time. So now my phone says 2:01 a.m. on Friday, even though here it's 3 p.m. on Friday. So when I want to change prices in my Airbnb platform, the Airbnb app looks at my phone and says, oh, it's still Friday, even though 12 hours from now, it will be Saturday in Thailand. I'm still working in the United States. So use this tip if you ever travel overseas. If you haven't, delegated out your pricing strategy to somebody while you're on vacation, you can do it that way. By the way, the background, I'm getting suits made in Thailand because that's the place you go get some suits. And let's see if I can introduce you to somebody. That's Anthony. He's also an Airbnb host. The infamous Sean Ray. He's my realtor, of course. And then Basil is our camera guy, the one with the smooth silk-like hands that's going to do some of our cinematics. We will have a separate YouTube channel that we're going to post like travel videos and vlogs and all sorts of stuff. So stay tuned for that. But while we're on this channel, thank you for watching Airbnb Automated, and I will see you on the other side.